to your audience across 8 different subject areas. Together, they will help you find and reach your audience. There are a variety of payoffs to doing so. Reaching a broader audience, having an impact on policy, finding new collaborators, finding new data, and finding new funders, to name just a few. This book is organized in 8 chapters to help you on your way to better research communication. 1. Introduction. How do you identify your target audience, and how do you argue the importance of better communication? Bridget Lowell lays out the case for why better communication is imperative to prove that facts matter. 2. Audience outreach. Who are the policymakers, decision-makers, and influencers who can help circulate your work or connect you with other potential collaborators, groups, and funders? Amy Ellsbury and Amy Peake show you how to be deliberate about who you are trying to reach and how you will reach them. 3. Data visualization. How do you create visuals and graphs that do a better job of communicating your findings? Jonathan Schwabish discusses different graph types and some of the best practices to visualize your data. 4. Presentations. What are the strategies and approaches to giving presentations that engage an audience and help them use your research? In this chapter, Schwabish discusses how to plan, design, and deliver an effective presentation. 5. Blogging. How do you get your message into the hands of those who can use it to make better decisions? In this chapter, Nicole Levins shows why blogging matters for communicating research and what you need to know to get started. 6. Media relations. How can you talk to reporters about your work, engage them, and have your work mentioned and cited in newspapers, blogs, radio, and podcasts? In this chapter, Stu Cantor gives you specific strategies to approach your next interview with calm and confidence. 7. Social media. What are the strategies and best practices to use social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to connect and converse with new and influential audiences? David Connell provides you with the techniques you need to engage on social media platforms in a way that feels comfortable and productive and does not distract from the important work you're already doing. 8. Impact plan. With all this information and tools now at your fingertips, how do you pull it all together? In this final chapter, Kate Villarreal shows you how to build an overarching communication strategy that weaves together the tactics and products into a single focused plan. Together, these chapters will provide you with the basic practical strategies to be your own communications manager. See our webpage for more information and downloadable resources and worksheets. urban.org/elevate-the-debate-book. As a team, we are committed to helping researchers and other data-driven knowledge seekers do a better job communicating their research and reaching their desired audiences. We're sharing our tools, techniques, and strategies because we believe that more and better communication of important research can lead to better outcomes. We hope President Lyndon Johnson would be proud of the independent institute he commissioned in 1968, one that promised to give us the power through knowledge to help solve the problem that weighs heavily on the hearts and minds of all of us, the problem of the American city and its people. He hoped the Urban Institute would fill a real need by bridging the gulf between the lonely scholar in search of truth and the decision-maker in search of progress. We hope this book will advance today's scholars and decision-makers on that journey. Chapter 1. Why Research Needs a Big Audience. Bridget Lowell. If you're like most